Right U. Draw the eyes. Draw the nose. Draw the mustache. Draw the ears. Draw two short curves. Draw a long curve. Connect the curves. Draw a curve again. Connect the lines. Draw two curves. Draw two short curves. Draw the hair. Draw the eyebrows. Right V. Draw to line. Connect the curve. Draw two curves. Draw U shape. Connect the lines. Draw the hands. Draw L shape. Draw 6 dots. Draw for lines. Connect to lines. Draw the shoes. Let's color the chef. Thanks for watching. Follow for more.